Hey, what's going on, guys? So, today I will show you how to send photos as snaps in Snapchat. So, first, let me just explain what happens if you send a photo from your camera roll in Snapchat. So, when you send a photo, it will just look like this. It's just a normal photo in a chat, but nothing much the same as a snap. So, if you want to send a picture from your camera roll as snap, here's how you can do it. So first, select the picture that you want to send and tap on Edit Photo. Now tap on the Share button in the lower left corner and tap on Save Image. Now after that, go to App Store and download an app called LMK or Let Me Know. Now let's open up the app. Now for this to work, you need to link this app to your Snapchat account. Now tap on the plus button on the middle of the screen, and under the Post tab, tap on the camera icon. Now select the photo that you edited in Snapchat earlier and tap on Post to Snapchat. Now drag the caption to remove it, and also you can remove the attached link. Now after that, you can tap on the Send button, and this is going to be sent as a snap, as you can see in here. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.